Good day, Sir Kyle and everyone. We are Group 4 and I'm here to discuss rational function, where we were assigned to find the domain, range, zeros included, x and y intercept, vertical and horizontal asymptotes, and finally the graph. First is, what is rational function? In mathematics, a rational function is any function that can be defined by a rational fraction, which is an algebraic fraction such that both the numerator and the denominator are polynomials. Now let's provide an example. We have here f of x equals to 5x over 2x minus 8. First, we're gonna get the denominator, which is 2x minus 8 equals 0. Then, we're going to transpose 8 to 0, so it's going to be 2x equals 8. And then, we have to divide both sides by 2, so it's going to be x equals 4, where it's going to be the domain is set of real numbers except positive 4. Let's go back to the last slide. Hindi na-assign ang paghahanap ng zeros, but pag maghahanap ng graph, need natin ng zeros. So, i-include na lang natin. 5x equals 0 and x equals 0. Next, we have to find the x-intercept. Now, ang gagamitin nating solution dito is kung ano yung solution na ginamit natin para mahanap si domain. So, f of x equals to 5x over 2x minus 8. We have rules to find the intercept. And for x-intercept, we have to substitute 0 for y and solve for x. So, yung y natin magiging 0. Then, kukunin natin yung numerator, which is 5x, and then 0 equals 5x, then gonna have to we have to divide both sides by 5, so ang matitira na lang is x, and then x is equals to 0. Then, ang x-intercept natin is x equals 0. Next, we have to find the y-intercept. Just like x-intercept, may rule din tayong sinusunod dito para mahanap yung y. Which is, to find the y-intercept, substitute 0 for x and solve for y or f of x. So, ang mangyayari, yung x naman yung magiging 0. So, y equals 5 times 0 over 2 times 0 minus 8. So, 5 times 0 is 0, and then 2 times 0 is 0. So, ang mangyayari, y equals 0 over negative 8 equals 0. Next is the vertical asymptote. Para makuha yung vertical asymptote, it's actually same with the domain. So, kukunin lang natin yung denominator, 2x minus 8 equals 0, and then transpose the 8 to 0, so magiging 2x equals 8, and then divide both sides by 2, so magiging x equals 4. So, same with the vertical asymptote, so ang vertical asymptote din natin ay x equals 4. Okay, next is the horizontal asymptote. To find the horizontal asymptote, may rule din tayong kailangang sundan. Let n be the degree of the numerator and m be the degree of the denominator. If n is less than m, then y is equals to 0. Or yung horizontal asymptote natin is 0. And then, if n is equals to m, then y equals a over b, where a is the leading coefficient of the numerator and b is the leading coefficient of the denominator. Sa solution natin, yung degree ng numerator and denominator is parehas x. So, mangyayari, equal siya. It's 1. So, ang gagamitin natin is y equals a over b. And then, yung leading coefficient ng numerator is the a, so 5. And then, ang leading coefficient ng denominator is 2. So, ang magiging horizontal asymptote natin is y equals 5 over 2. We have a new problem to solve the range. Ang gagawin lang ay pagpapalitin si y and then si x. So, magiging x equals 2 over y minus 3. And then, x of y times 3 equals 2. And then, i-multiply lang. So, ang mangyayari, x and xy times 3x equals 2. And then, xy equals 2 plus 3x. Then, magiging y 2 plus 3x over x. And then, yung x is equals to 0. And then, mahanap na natin yung range where it's x equals to 0. Okay, lastly is mag-graph na tayo. So, ang nakuha natin sa solution na f of x equals 5x over 2x minus 8 is the vertical asymptote is the x equals 4. And the horizontal asymptote is y equals 5 over 2. Or, kapag naging decimal to, magiging 2.5 siya. And then, x-intercept 0, and y-intercept is 0, and the zeros is x equals 0. First, sa graph, need muna natin ilagay yung vertical asymptote and then yung horizontal asymptote. So, yung vertical asymptote natin, siya yung nakatayo. So, itatapat natin siya sa 4, positive 4. And then, yung horizontal asymptote, y equals 5 over 2. So, sinabi ko nga kanina, magiging 2.5 siya. So, positive then, and then, nakapahiga naman, horizontal. So, maglaline ng sa gitna ng 2 and then 3, 2.5. Yan muna yung unang gagawin. And then next, need natin i-plot yung x and y intercept. Pero since 0 naman siya, so ilalagay lang natin siya sa 0, yung gitna. And then next, i-identify lang natin yung interval na gagamitin natin para makuha yung sign table. Ang gagamitin natin is the vertical asymptote and then yung zeros. Since dalawa siya, magiging 3 yung interval natin. Una is x less than 0, and then 0 less than x less than 4, and then x greater than 4. And then, sa test point naman, kukuha lang tayo dun sa interval. So, yung first interval natin is x is less than 0. So, ang kukunin natin ay negative 1. X equals negative 1. And then, second is, since 0 is less than 4, gagawin din natin ay x equals 1. And then, yung last is x greater than 4. So, ang kukunin ay 5. Okay, then, isa-substitute natin yung negative 1 sa mga test points. So, first is 5x. Substitute natin yung negative 1 doon sa x. So, magiging negative. And then, 2x, negative 8. Substitute natin yung negative 1. Then, magiging negative din siya. Then, para mas madali, ita-times na lang natin yung dalawa. Negative times negative equals positive. So, yung sa third na test point natin, ang magiging sign niya is positive. And the next is the x equals positive 1. So, substitute lang ulit natin. 5x, that's positive. And then, 2x minus 8, magiging negative siya. And then, positive times negative is negative. And then, the third is, ganun lang din. Then, substitute natin positive 5, magiging positive ulit. And then, second, positive ulit. And then, yung third, yung last, positive ulit. Kailangan natin yung graph na to para malaman natin kung ano ba yung mga sign pag nag-graph na tayo. Kung above or below x-axis ba siya. Okay, so next, since negative siya, so yung arrow natin is papunta siya sa negative, tas tuloy-tuloy siya, dun siya sa part ng negative, dun sa graph. And then, next naman is positive, pero pa-negative siya, so pababa naman. And then, yung last is greater than 4 na siya, so dun na siya sa may 5, dun siya mag-start. And then, pa-positive lang siya. So, ang ano niya is tuloy-tuloy lang na nasa positive side lang siya. And then, yan. We have our graph. We're done. That's all. That's the report of Group 4 for rational function. Thank you very much.